Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zapper for DeFi portfolio management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the Zapper URL in the address bar. Press enter to access the Zapper homepage. Once the site loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be presented with several login options. If you have a cryptocurrency wallet, select the wallet option you prefer. Common choices include MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase Wallet. Click on your chosen wallet option. You may be prompted to connect your wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once connected, you will be redirected back to the Zapper interface. You should see your DeFi portfolio dashboard. If you do not have a wallet, you will need to create one first. For example, if using MetaMask, download and install the browser extension. Create a new wallet following the prompts. Be sure to save your recovery phrase securely. After setting up your new wallet, return to the Zapper login page. Select the wallet you just created to log in. Once logged in, your portfolio will begin to load. Explore your portfolio and the various features Zapper offers. You can view your assets, manage liquidity, and track investments from this dashboard. Enjoy managing your DeFi investments with Zapper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.